Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson on domain and range. The domain of a relation is the set of values of x in the relation, and the range of a relation is the set of values of y in the relation. What that means is, what are the possible x values of your relation, and what are the possible y values of your relation? So for instance, if we look at example 4a, if we were trying to find what the domain is your x values. So what could x be? Could x be, I don't know, could x be 10? Well, let's look at 10. No, it doesn't seem like this relation ever could be 10. Could the x value be 3? Oh yeah. Oh no, over here. X value could be 3. Could the x value be -1? Yep, there's an x value there. So what this tells you is that your x value is everything from here going into negative infinity. So your domain is x is less than and equal to 8. Your range is your y values. So now we're going to try to figure out what are our y values. Well, the lowest point that the y value is -2. And then it goes up forever. So your range for this question is y is greater than or equal to -2. Next one, we seem to have some kind of quadratic, and where the lowest point is 2, -1. Now a quadratic will go on and on forever, so your domain is all real numbers. So your domain is all real numbers. Your range, well, for this one, your range, the lowest point was 2, -1. So the lowest point is -1, but it goes up to infinity. So your range is y is greater than or equal to -1. Similarly, they can give you a question instead of a graph. They could give you a function. For instance, f of x equals 1 over x minus 3. Your domain for this one, well, you have to think, what x values are possible? Could I put x equals 2? Sure. 1 over 2 minus 3, it's fine. But could I put 3? 1 over 3 minus 3. Oh, that gives me an error on my calculator. So that tells me the domain is x does not equal 3. But x does belong to all other real numbers. And the range for this one, well, if we look at it, it will never equal 0, so y cannot equal 0, but it could belong to all other real numbers. In our second one, we've got f of x equals the square root of x minus 2. So what x values could we have? So our domain is, well, could x equals 2? Then I have square root of -2, which is not allowed. -1? No. What about 2? Square root of 2 minus 2, square root of 0. Yeah, that's fine. So 2 works, and every other number works as well. So your domain is x is greater than and equal to 2. And your range, well, all square roots are going to be greater than 0, so y is greater than or equal to 0. Hope that helps. Have a good day.